living small doesn't mean living cramped. With the right pieces, every nook can work harder and look better. In this video, we're counting down 30 space-saving Amazon finds. Lift-top tables, fold-flat furniture, lighting that doubles as decor, and smart organizers that erase visual noise. Budget-friendly picks lead the way with a couple of high-impact upgrades. Clear the clutter, keep the style. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 30. WLIVE Lift-Top Coffee Table with Storage, a small space minimum viable product. This lift-top coffee table doubles as a work, eat surface, and hidden storage. The sturdy metal lift raises smoothly to laptop height, then lowers quietly when you're done. Inside, a roomy compartment hides remotes, cables, and blankets, while the lower shelf keeps books or baskets off the floor. Clean, modern lines and a compact footprint slip into tight living rooms, letting one piece act as table, desk, and organizer. Exactly what tiny apartments need. Number 29. UREVO 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. Get steps without sacrificing square footage. This ultra-slim under-desk treadmill slides beneath sofas or beds and rolls out in seconds for a quick walk while you work, study, or stream. A handheld remote and onboard display let you adjust speed and track basics at a glance. The shock-absorbing deck and quiet motor keep noise low for roommates and neighbors. When finished, it folds flat and stows vertically in a closet, perfect where a full treadmill simply won't fit. Number 28. Surpahs Over Sink Multi-Purpose Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. Clear counters in seconds. This stainless steel, silicone-tipped rack unrolls across the sink to air-dry dishes, produce, and utensils, then rolls up to stash in a drawer. Water drips straight into the basin, so you're not sacrificing precious counter space. It doubles as a trivet for hot pots and a cooling rack for baking days. Non-slip ends keep it steady, and the slatted design lets air circulate for faster drying. For tiny kitchens, it's a flexible workstation that disappears. Number 27. FEZIBO 32-inch Standing Desk Converter. Convert your desk into a sit-stand setup in seconds. The 32-inch surface fits dual monitors, while the lower tray parks your keyboard and mouse at an ergonomic height. A smooth gas spring lift travels straight up and down, saving inches and minimizing wobble. The steel X-frame feels solid under typing, and rounded corners keep it renter-friendly. Standing part-time boosts energy and posture, ideal when your office is a corner of the living room and every inch of surface area matters. Number 26. Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Laundry Drying Rack. Air dry laundry without hogging floor space. This foldable rack opens to 2 tiers with multiple rods for shirts, towels, and delicates, then collapses flat to slide behind a door. The steel frame and non-slip feet keep it stable indoors or on a balcony. It saves energy, treats fabrics gently, and ends improvised drying across chairs. In tight homes, it's the easiest way to create a laundry room on demand. Then disappear it when guests arrive or you need the room back. Number 25. BedShelfie Bedside Shelf. Turn your bed into a nightstand. No drilling, no bulky furniture. BedShelfie slides under the mattress or clamps to create a sturdy perch for phones, glasses, books, or a mug. Cable pass-throughs keep chargers tidy, and the raised lip prevents items from sliding off. It's perfect for lofts, bunks, or studio layouts where a side table won't fit. Set it up in minutes and reclaim floor space while keeping nighttime essentials within easy reach. Number 24. Lifewit 90-liter large storage bags. Big capacity without bulky bins. These 90-liter fabric totes tame off-season clothes, bedding, or spare towels, and slide under beds or onto shelves. Clear windows show what's inside. Reinforced handles and smooth zippers make pulls easy from tight closets. When empty, each bag folds flat. So storage doesn't require more storage. They're a renter-friendly way to declutter without installing shelves, and they keep dust off linens in small places where every inch counts and visual calm matters. Number 23. Wall Control Galvanized Steel Pegboard Pack. Turn vertical wall space into a flexible storage grid. This galvanized steel pegboard resists warping and works with standard peg hooks plus wall control slotted accessories. Mounted in kitchens for pans, entryways for bags, or craft corners for tools. Everything stays visible and off counters. Steel supports heavier loads than fiberboard, and the 32x32 panel fits narrow walls. It's a clean, modular way to add storage capacity without buying more furniture or eating precious floor area. Number 22. JOOFO 36-watt LED floor lamp with remote. Slim, bright, and renter-friendly, this floor lamp tucks beside sofas or into corners where tables won't fit. Stepless dimming and multiple color temperatures, from warm evening glow to daylight task light, let you set the mood or reduce eye strain. Use the remote to tweak brightness from the couch and aim the head to wash walls or spotlight a desk. It adds instant ambience without ceiling wiring, perfect for apartments where overhead lights are harsh, dim, or non-existent. Number 21. Simplehuman 40-liter Slim Kitchen Step Trash Can. Big capacity, tiny footprint, this slim step can tuck beside fridges or between cabinets to keep walkways clear. The strong steel pedal and soft close lid feel premium, while a secure liner fit helps stop bag slips and messes. A fingerprint-resistant finish keeps it looking clean in busy kitchens, and the integrated handle makes repositioning simple. For small apartments, it delivers full-size waste management without the bulky can. Smart, sanitary, and space-efficient in one sleek column. Number 20. TURBRO Suburbs TS17 Compact Electric Fireplace Stove. Bring cozy ambiance to a small room without a chimney or permanent install. This compact electric fireplace adds realistic flame effects and gentle adjustable heat, or run the flames alone for mood lighting year-round. Lightweight and freestanding, it slides into corners or under a wall shelf where floor space is tight. It's renter-friendly, no venting, no fumes, and no tools beyond basic setup. For tiny apartments, it's an easy way to add warmth and character on demand. Number 19. Joseph Nest 9 Plus Compact Mixing Bowl Set. 9 kitchen essentials, 1 neat stack. Nest 9 Plus combines mixing bowls, measuring cups, a colander, and a fine sieve in color-coded pieces that nest to the footprint of a single bowl. Non-slip bases and pouring spouts keep prep tidy, and the handled sieve and colander make rinsing and draining effortless. It's the ultimate drawer and shelf saver for studio kitchens. Everything you need for baking and meal prep without scattering tools across limited cabinet space. Number 18. BLACK+DECKER 1.7 cubic feet compact refrigerator. Snack stash, mini bar, or dorm-style backup. This compact fridge slips under counters or into studio corners without dominating the room. A reversible door helps it fit left or right, and removable shelves let you configure space for tall bottles or meal prep containers. Simple controls and a quiet compressor make it unobtrusive for bedrooms or home offices. It's the perfect tiny apartment upgrade when you need cold storage close by without the footprint of a full-size refrigerator. Number 17. YITAHOME 5-drawer fabric dresser storage tower. Add vertical storage without heavy furniture. This slim dresser tower pairs a sturdy metal frame and wooden top with 5 pull-out fabric drawers for clothes, linens, or gear. Lightweight bins slide smoothly and remove for quick sorting, while adjustable feet keep the unit steady on apartment floors. The narrow profile slips into closets, entryways, or beside beds to rescue square footage. It's renter-friendly, easy to assemble, and a clean upgrade from mismatched baskets or open piles. Number 16. COSTWAY 1700 Watts Portable Compact Tumble Dryer. No laundry room? No problem. This compact tumble dryer fits on a countertop or wall mount and handles small loads without sharing building machines. Easy-to-use controls and multiple settings let you dry teas, towels, and bedding on your schedule. The stainless drum is gentle on fabrics, and the compact footprint suits studios, recreational vehicles, or tiny homes. For apartment living, it's the difference between laundry when you can and laundry when you want, without hauling baskets across town. Number 15. Nex Over the Sink 2-tier dish drying rack. Move drying off the counter and into vertical space. This oversing rack organizes plates, bowls, knives, cutting boards, and soap in dedicated holders, letting water drip straight into the basin. Adjustable width fits most sinks, and suction cup feet add stability without drilling. Keep your prep area free while staying fully stocked for cooking. For tiny apartments, it's like adding a shelving unit without losing an inch of workspace. Everything you need exactly where you use it. Number 14. HBTower 2-step folding step stool. Reach high cabinets safely, then fold it flat behind a door. This heavy-duty 2-step stool features wide anti-slip treads and a curved handle for balance, with rubber feet that protect floors. It opens smoothly and locks in place for stability when grabbing storage bins or swapping light bulbs. When space is tight, vertical storage is gold, and a reliable step stool unlocks every shelf you paid for. Lightweight to carry, sturdy to stand on, and out of sight after. Number 13. Eufy RoboVac 11S Max Robot Vacuum. Super slim body, strong pickup. The 11S Max slides under low furniture most vacuums can't reach, quietly collecting dust bunnies and pet hair on hard floors and low-pile rugs. Boost IQ automatically increases suction when it senses extra debris, then dials back to save battery. Boundary-friendly and self-charging, it tidies daily so small rooms don't feel cluttered. For studio living, set it and forget it. Your floors stay clean while your square footage stays free of bulky cleaning gear. Number 12. Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart. One pot replaces 7. Pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, make rice or yogurt, and keep warm, all from a compact base that fits on a narrow counter. Pre-programmed settings simplify weeknights, while the stainless inner pot cleans easily after soups, stews, and one-pot pasta. It's the small kitchen minimum viable product, fewer appliances to store, faster meals, and less cleanup. In tiny apartments, cooking with one versatile tool frees cabinet space and makes home-cooked food realistic on busy schedules. Number 11. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System. Clean floors fast without soaking your space. The foot pedal bucket spins the mop head dryer so you control moisture, great for wood, tile, or rental vinyl. The triangular microfiber head reaches corners and slides under low furniture, then pops off to machine wash and reuse. When square footage is limited, compact tools that store easily make all the difference. This set turns weekly mopping into a quick reset and tucks into a closet when the job's done. Number 10. Desk Cycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. Sneak in movement without rearranging furniture. Desk Cycle's ultra-low profile fits under most desks, delivering smooth, whisper-quiet pedaling while you work or watch TV. An easy knob adjusts resistance from gentle circulation boosts to serious calorie burns, and the LCD tracks time, speed, distance, and estimates calories. Non-slip feet and straps keep everything stable on rugs or hard floors. When you're done, slide it under a sofa. For tiny apartments, it's fitness that doesn't demand dedicated space. Number 9. Amazon Basics Broom Holder Wall Mount and Garden Tool Organizer. Vertical storage is the small space secret. This wall-mounted rail clamps brooms, mops, and dusters securely, with extra hooks for dustpans or reusable bags. It frees floor space in closets, kitchens, and balconies, while keeping cleaning tools visible and ready. The grippy slots resist slips, and included hardware makes installation straightforward. Instead of leaning gear in a corner, mount it and reclaim square footage. In tiny apartments, getting tools off the floor instantly makes rooms look larger and easier to clean. Number 8. Roland Star Nightstand with Charging Station. A compact bedside command center. 2 AC outlets and dual USB ports power phones, lamps, and wearables, while open shelving and a fabric drawer hide nighttime clutter. Cable cutouts route cords neatly so chargers don't tangle, and adjustable feet keep it steady on uneven floors. Use it as a sofa side table in studios. Same storage, smaller footprint. For tiny apartments, combining charging, surface space, and hidden organization in one slim piece keeps bedrooms calm and counters clear. Number 7. Kung Fu King Pop-Up Countertop Power Outlet with Wireless Charger. Power when you need it, nothing when you don't. Press to pop up 4 AC outlets, USB-C power delivery, USB-A, and a 15-watt wireless charger on top. Press again, and it hides flush with the counter. It's a sleek way to eliminate spaghetti cords and bulky power strips on kitchen islands or desks. Built-in surge protection and a tidy bezel finish the look. For compact homes, this turns one small spot into a tidy, high-capacity power hub. Number 6. Full-Star Original Pro Vegetable Chopper. Prep faster, store neater. Interchangeable blades dice, slice, and julienne directly into the attached container, keeping onions off the cutting board and counters clean. A spiralizer attachment adds quick zoodles without a separate gadget, and the safety guard keeps fingers away from edges. Labeled, stackable parts tuck into a drawer when you're done. In tiny apartments, reducing tools means reducing clutter. This one box handles weeknight prep and corrals all the bits so kitchens stay calm. Number 5. COSTWAY Light 4-quart Smart Air Fryer. Crispy results without a full-size oven. This compact 4-quart air fryer fits a studio countertop and still handles weeknight portions. App control and voice compatibility let you start, stop, and monitor cooks from the couch, while guided presets make fries, wings, and veggies simple. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. For small apartments, it's efficient, fast, and cool running, perfect when you want takeaway texture without heating up your whole space or juggling multiple pans. Number 4. Yamazaki Home Tower Rolling Slim Storage Cart. Turn dead gaps into usable storage. This minimalist steel cart rolls into the space between a fridge and wall or beside a washer, adding shelves for oils, spices, cleaners, or snacks. A low-profile handle and smooth casters make pullouts effortless, while the powder-coated finish looks clean in modern apartments. Park it where you prep, then slide it away to keep pathways clear. In tight kitchens and baths, it's the extra cabinet you didn't have to install. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 5-piece pop container set. Pantry order in a stackable system. Push the button to seal airtight, push again to release. Clear walls show contents at a glance, and the modular shapes nest tightly to use vertical shelf space efficiently. Keep cereal crisp, rice contained, and coffee fresh while eliminating half-open bags. Labels stick cleanly to flat sides for quick ID. In small kitchens, tidy containers prevent spillovers and make cabinets feel bigger by turning mismatched packages into a clean, space-saving grid. Number 2. Mobile Pixels Trio Max Portable Laptop Screen Extender. Double your screen without a desk upgrade. The Trio Max attaches to your laptop and slides out a full HD panel in seconds. Great for timelines, notes, or chats while your main screen stays focused. USB-C, USB-A connectivity keeps setup simple, and the panel pivots for portrait, presentation, or mirrored modes. When you're done, it tucks flat and rides in your bag. For small apartments, it delivers multi-monitor productivity at a cafe table, kitchen counter, or couch. Number 1. Best Choice Products Folding Dining Table. From console to full dining in a minute. Drop one leaf for solo meals or both to seat 4 to 6. Lockable casters make repositioning easy. Built-in shelves and a drawer stash placemats, utensils, or laptops, so it doubles as a work table by day. When folded, it slides against a wall to free floor space. For tiny apartments, this is the ultimate transformer. Desk, dining, and storage in one compact mobile piece that adapts to your day. That's a wrap on our 30 space-saving Amazon picks. Which item would make the biggest difference in your place? Tell me your favorite or your square footage. And I'll suggest 3 tailored picks in the comments. If this helped, tap like, share with a friend living small, and subscribe with the bell for weekly compact living upgrades. Links are below. See you in the next video.